I'm Emmanuel, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a YouTube channel or set up a YouTube account. Okay, yeah, if you didn't know, for your information, people are making money on YouTube. So I'm gonna use Google Chrome. I'm gonna click there, and then I'm gonna type youtube.com. All you need is to have a Gmail account, by the way, and you're good to go. Yeah, as you can see, there are thousands and different videos on YouTube. Actually, there are too many. People are making money on YouTube and they are sharing their knowledge to the world. So what is very important is to actually be able to share knowledge. So I'm gonna go to the top right corner, then here I'm gonna click on sign in if you have a Gmail account and you're good to go. But some of you, I'm gonna assume that they don't have a Gmail account, so that's why I'm gonna open a new tab and then I'm gonna create a Gmail account first. Let's set up it. So go to gmail.com, type actually gmail.com and hit enter. Yeah, so that you can share it to the world. Okay, hit enter and yeah, you set up a Gmail account first, and then after setting that, you're good to go. So use another account, that's what I'm gonna choose. Click here. Okay, then from there we start creating a Gmail account or setting up a Gmail account first. So you need to click on create account. Yeah, you're gonna enter your first name, last name, yeah, like that. Then enter your, yeah, like so. Then you need to enter your email address, which is very important for your business, or yeah, that's the email address you want. Check if it's available, click there, but if enter the password. Okay, then hit next button. Yeah, you can see now the email is being taken. So you can try another email address because many people are using the Gmail. Then click next. Awesome, now that it's available, they're gonna ask you to enter your phone number, but it's optional. So if they ask you, you're gonna enter it, and if you don't ask you, you can leave it. Then the recovery email. So enter your date of birth, month and year, and then select your gender. Yeah, I'm now. Scroll down and hit next button. Yeah, that's the process of setting up in Gmail. Okay, so scroll down, or click the pointing out down here, then click I agree. Yeah, now the email is being created, which is awesome. Yeah, awesome, it's amazing. Welcome, now email is created. Click okay, click next, then okay. Awesome, yeah, that's it. Now the email is being created. As you can see, this is the first email from Google. As you can see, hey Emmanuel, like that. So don't sign out, so open a new tab and then type youtube.com. okay, if you had the email, this is the step so that we can go together. So open it and then click on sign in button. And for us who don't want to take much time, don't sign out, leave it open, then you go to youtube.com like that, then click on sign in. It's gonna sign in direct to it, actually without entering the email and password, like that. Which, yeah, congratulations. Yeah, now we are there. Then click on the top right corner here, then click on that button. Yeah, then I'm gonna go to click on my channel. It's amazing, you're gonna see this. Okay, so don't click on create if you wanna make a YouTube which is professional. Don't click on create, please, because it's gonna leave the default name like that, the first name and last name. So click on this button, use business or other name here, which is, yeah, professional. Okay, click here and then you're good to go. Okay, now create new channel, create a blank account. So enter the business name or the name that you want your channel to be. That's the name that's gonna be appearing to your dashboard or to your channel. I'm gonna type science. Yeah, I would upload science and technology or put science, which is awesome. That's how, yeah, science, technology, or computer science, like that. Okay, that's the name. Choose the best name that is gonna fit your channel, because you can change it. Yeah, click on create, by the way. Yeah, now it's being created, which is awesome. Yeah, wow, it's amazing. Now it's set up, which is science technology. As you can see, there are no videos. Now it's ready. You can upload videos, and yeah, you can customize it by going to create studio channel. Actually, you can go to YouTube studio and better like that. So all you need, guys, is to copy URL, so that's the link you're gonna be sharing to your friends or to anyone you want to visit your channel. So save it somewhere like here I'm doing. So press Ctrl V, yeah, to paste the link, then save it, and that's the link you're gonna be sharing to your friends. Yeah, but in case you need to do that for your first time, you can do it whenever you log into dashboard, and then you get it. Never don't mind if you didn't actually save the link. You can always go to youtube.com and then click on here, go to my channel. That's the alternative way. Then copy the link. Yeah, that's the link you're gonna be sharing to your friends or to somebody you want to visit your channel. Awesome. Now you can see it's created. Hit enter and then press Ctrl V. Yeah, now you're gonna share either one of those links, either the first link or the second link. It's gonna work. Okay, yeah, that's how you set up a YouTube account, guys, and start making money on YouTube and share knowledge to the world as well. Yeah, now this channel is ready for uploading videos. Actually, I'm gonna put the link in the video description where you can actually to customize your channel and look standard like other YouTube channels. Okay, I'm gonna click here and then I sign out. Okay, yeah, in the next videos, check the links in the video description. I'm gonna be customizing it and making it standard like other YouTube channels. By the way, to be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you need to pay for your account. Yeah, I've already done videos about that. Check it. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. I like it so much. Take care.